Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we got the two ways how we can do that, and the first one, you should just hold for a while your screen and here you'll see the wallpaper icon. Just tap there once and as can you see, here we got the wallpapers gallery section. We can just choose the wallpapers from the device default wallpapers and from the gallery photos. That can be the previously taken photos on your device, or for example downloaded from the internet. For example, we can go with this one, and now we can set the new lock screen photo. Just click once on this photo and click here to lock screen. Now just here tap set on lock screen and wait a second while you'll see the message that wallpaper applied successfully. And now as can you see, we just change our lock screen wallpaper by this way. Also, we got the second way how we can do that, but first you should go into the settings and then here click on the wallpaper and style. By the same way, just select the wallpapers folder or gallery folder and select the one from these wallpapers, for example this one. Click here to lock screen and tap to set on lock screen. And now as can you see, we just changed successfully our lock screen wallpaper. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.